Hi guys, I just thought I'd come on and do a little hello. I am at the bench today and I'm doing some cool things. I'm going to make some wire, so I'm going to cut that in half because it's far too big to go through my rolling mill. I'm going to make some really cool silver bangles, which is really lovely. I'm so chuffed about that. I love making anything with silver. It's just such a nice material to work with. It's great. Yeah, so pretty busy actually this week, which is really nice. Making lots of hair forks, making a moon hair fork and a star hair fork today. Yeah, just having fun with metal again. It's it was really slow last month, really slow, but it's starting to pick up, which is really lovely. It just gives me a chance to get in and make loads of cool things and just do the packaging for my customers and all that, which I absolutely love. So awesome days. I think later, so I'm gonna get on the rolling mill and I'm a bit low on 2 mil round wire, so this is what I'm going to try and have a go at making. I've not actually used this yet, this drawer plate. Look how pink that is. It's really pink. It's really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get it out. So it hasn't even come out of its wrapper yet, so that'll be a little fun project later. So I've watched loads of videos. I always do that. I always do loads of research before I try something out, because obviously, well, I mean, so it is really expensive silver, but I can remelt it if I go wrong, so it's not that crazy. Now I've learned how to do that, I'm a little bit more confident with testing stuff out, because I can reuse it if it goes wrong, so yay. Excuse my hair, I wash my hair every day. I know I probably shouldn't, but it's always kind of like, if I'm doing a video in the mornings, it's going to be like this because it's always kind of drying, or, you know, just after I've dried it, so it's a bit poofy, but never mind. Like a little bit of volume. It's Tuesday today and having fun. Oh, I've got so many ideas as well. So I'm so scatty. I've got like 4 collection ideas. So I'm going to work on the first one. I'm just going to focus on that one first, which is the Stardust one. And then I've got a few other botanical ones as well coming. So in my head, this is all in my head at the moment. But yeah, I think I'll work on the Stardust collection first and then see where that goes. Make lots of cool things and then get that on, and then, yeah, go from there. It's just that, you know, when you've got like loads of ideas and then you sort of flip from one to the other. Like a little, what are the things with the bums light up? Little lightning bug, just like flitting about. That's my brain, honestly. So yeah, so that's where I am today. I just thought I'd come on and just do like a facey hello, because, you know, with shorts and reels and stuff, it's always just like music and showing stuff. So I like to come on and just have a little chat every now and then and say hi, and you can see my crazy workshop. This is kind of cool. I like this kind of spacey kind of look. So yeah, I'm down with that. Although my walls are really plain, I really want to decorate in here and make it really cool. So I think that'll be a project that I'll do soon, hopefully. Well, in the next couple of months, I'm going to plan it out. So at the minute, I've got like a big bench across under the window, and then my jeweller's bench here, and then I've got my I've got my motor there, my Dremel there, but it needs a lot of tidying up and sorting out and titivating. I need to titivate. Titivate to innovate. So there we go. That's the plan for the future, near future. Any ideas for designs? If you've got any, yeah, then drop a comment. I'm also after, I love buying, so you see that little print up there? I love buying artwork, and I love sort of independent artists, so artist prints, anything original. I love supporting the artist, and yeah, having a really cool collection. So every time I look at something, I'm like, oh, that's really good. There's a lot of love gone into that. So if you've got any artwork that you make, drop a link below, share it with the world, and yeah, I might be purchasing a few to put in my little workroom, just to make me happier when I'm sat down, and it makes me smile. So I've got my little things here. You know what, do you want to have a little look around? Yeah. So I've got my little my little print up there. Cute print, and I'll keep it there because I just love it. Especially it's got a little frog on it as well. I don't know, I'm into frogs. I'm into sort of amphibious things at the minute. I don't know what that's all about. We've got Leggy Lenny here, which is Lenny the octopus. I know it's like a little brass pendant, but I just love it. So he sits there with Ducky. My daughter gave me this yesterday. She's like, close your eyes and hold out your hand. And I was like, oh, I said, right, that is going to live on my desk now. And it can keep me company. Ducky and Leggy. Lenny and Ducky. And then I've got my little, I love this. It's like a picture stone. I absolutely love that. It just reminds me of the beach. So when I'm sitting here dreaming about holidays, I can just look at that. That's a little stone I'm working on. It's a little design I'm working on, which is coming soon. I just pick up things so I can just store things like at the back of my bench, because obviously like space is a bit of a premium on a bench, isn't it? And they're not that big. So I 3D printed this little Dremel attachment holder. This is just a little vase which I just love. So I keep all my like wooden scorpion things in there, ring setting tools in there. This is just a little, I think this is like a little, I don't know, hammer carrier or something, or a wine holder, like a little tool holder I got from the charity shop. So there's that, and then I think behind there, I think that's just like a bathroom sort of holder, but I keep all, because it's really heavy, it's like a marbly kind of stone. I think it's actually just stone. So I keep all my hammers and stuff in there. So yeah, and my files, and then I've got my IKEA, I forgot what this is called, but one of those pegboards, and I keep all my bits and bobs in there, and my little templates, and yeah, it's really good. And I obviously keep all my safety stuff really close by as well. So yeah, and I've got my little extractor fan. I didn't have this for quite a long time, and I think I should have had this for a lot longer than I actually had it. But it just, I mean, you can see on there, it's got like loads of sort of brass dust and stuff on there. And that's a little extractor which just goes out the window. So yeah, and then my rolling mill and my order board, which are just little whiteboard, and just little bits and bobs. It's quite messy at the minute. I'm usually not this messy. I like to keep it nice and tidy. But yeah, my little silver pots, little scrap silvers. But yeah, there we go. So we got a little mini tour of my little silver brass making world. I hope everyone's good. And yeah, stay tuned for new things, new designs. My little tippy tappies is Eddie coming in to say hello. He's, bless him, he's so old now. He's 15 and he sort of sleeps all day. So he just kind of has a little wander around every now and then. He just had some egg. We just had scrambled egg together. So, because he's old and his teeth are a bit poorly now, so he hasn't got a lot of teeth. So he has like lots of soft things. So we scrambled egg in the morning together. Oh, there we go. I'm just going to stop rambling now, and I'm going to go and saw this in half and get making. So I hope everyone's good and enjoy this little chat, little catch up. It's nice to have a little 10 minutes, little chit chat, and my hair's almost dry now, which is good. Right, see you guys later.